I'm Nate.
I'm Heather.
We're going to Dog Beach in Ocean Beach.
And we just got finished with the dog festival.
She hasn't quite recovered yet.
Oh, somehow I think she'll find the energy.
She better. We're at Dog Beach.
Or she'll just stand in the water and let the dogs come to her. I don't know why we still have her on leash.
She was so tired I had to drag her out here.
And sometimes after a hard day, you just need to soak your feet.
Or sit on the beach while the wind blows through your fur.
Just watching the world pass you by. So would this be his daily workout, or is he training for a triathlon?
Does that mean we get to see him riding a bike next? And Lacey's training to be a spectator. Finally, a dog worth getting up for.
Well, that was fun.
Back to relaxing on the beach. Go get it, boy.
Maybe not. Oh, maybe this guy will go get it. He's got goggles on.
What's the dive rating on those things? I might want a pair.
What a great beach. The dogs were roaming free. We let the people off their leashes.
And everybody got along. The waves look just right for the surfer dogs.
And Lacey will just stroll on the beach watching them.
This one's just trying to get some sun on his belly.
Oh, Lacey, never turn your back on the ocean. Since our hotel wasn't ready yet, we decided to venture into Ocean Beach.
And it was too hot for Lacey to walk.
So we put her in the backpack to go exploring.
In the U.S., we don't see too many hostels. This one had some amazing artwork. There better not be any liquor in that puppuccino.
We didn't spend much time in town. We decided to head back to the beach.
Lacey says, oh yeah. I love the chill vibe that started setting in as we got close to sunset. They were having dog football tryouts. Looks like this guy won the job for punt returner.
We all had a big day.
We spent the whole morning at the dog festival.
And the entire afternoon at Dog Beach. We were all very content to just sit here in the sand and watch the sunset.
And then Gordo came to visit.
And in my efforts to get this on film, I was apparently recording in slow-mo, so this was pretty cute. As the sun set, everyone started packing up their stuff to go home.
This guy carries his own toys home.
Oh, and as the sun set, there was a guy on the edge of the ocean playing his trumpet.
Oh, yeah, play through the sunset, right?
We'd had such a busy day. It was so nice to just lay in the sand and watch the sunset for hours.
We were really enjoying it until that little dog tried to pee on you.
Oh yeah, I was gonna forget that. We were watching the sunset on this gorgeous beach. I wasn't gonna let anything dampen my spirits.
He was hoping to dampen something.
Regardless, it was a perfect sunset in the perfect setting on the beach.
Sorry there, little guy. I don't think she's got any energy left.
And we soaked up the last of the sunset before Lacey told us it was time to go home.
There's the dog unfriendly side of the beach.
We didn't visit that.
Being that we're in such a dog friendly place,
We let Lacey lead us back to the hotel. Well, I'm pretty sure she offended this one.
but she always stops for a poodle mix.
Yeah, she is a bit of a poodle snob. What's up with that?
Lacey, wait up for us. Lacey, what are you doing?
Lacey decided to go back to the hotel with or without us.
Oh, Lacey's making her bed again. This is going to be unbelievably long.
Oh yeah, that butt in the face is on purpose, just to let me know that we took too long. Good morning, Lacey. Did you get a good night's sleep? She's not real social before that first cup of coffee. We ended our trip in the morning with some typical coast weather. I don't know what you guys call it, a marine layer, morning clouds.
Oh, it's gloomy. Thanks for coming to Ocean Beach's Dog Beach with us.